how I got 5,000 TikTok followers within just 2 months using TTBoost. If you're posting videos on TikTok, but your follower count isn't moving, don't worry. I was in the same situation. I was uploading content consistently, trying different hashtags and following trends, but growth was very slow. Then I discovered a simple tool called TTBoost, and today I'll show you exactly how I used it to help grow my TikTok account step by step. Let's get started. First, install TTBoost app from Play Store. Now open the app. Once the app opens, enter your TikTok username. You don't need to share your password. Just connect your profile by entering your username. The setup takes less than a minute. Now comes the interesting part. TTBoost works with a coin system. You can earn coins by completing simple engagement tasks inside the app. I'll complete a few tasks now. For example, I click the follow button. Follow the profile. Return to TTBoost. The coins are added automatically. Let's repeat this a few more times. As you can see, my coin balance is increasing quickly. I click on the like button. Back to TTBoost app, and coins received. Now, let's test whether the system actually works. You can purchase followers directly if you don't want to collect coins. You can purchase 200, 400, 900, 2,000, or bigger packages. Besides, you can buy like package also. Before placing an order, let me show you my current TikTok follower count. At the moment, my account has only 3 followers. Next, I'll use the coins I earned to place a follower order. I select the 10 follower option and submit the order.
The process only takes a few seconds. Now, we wait.
Within the order section, I can see my order details. A few moments later, I received a notification that the order was completed. Let's refresh my TikTok profile. And there it is. The follower count has increased successfully. This is exactly how I started building momentum on my account.
I didn't gain 5,000 followers overnight. The key was consistency. Every day, I posted content, interacted with my audience, and used TTBoost regularly to help increase visibility on my profile. Over time, those small daily actions added up. My videos started getting more engagement, my profile attracted more visitors, and my follower count continued growing.
If you're serious about growing on TikTok, remember that consistency is everything. Keep posting, keep improving your content, and stay active every day. And if you use TTBoost consistently alongside your content strategy, you can potentially get 1,000 TikTok followers daily over time as your account continues to grow. Thanks for watching.